I have a GE profile stovetop and the burner's not coming on. This burner is the main one we use, and when you turn it on, the switch appears to work, but the heat, and you can hear it clicking and turning on the switch, but no heat's coming out. So I'm assuming that the element or the connector to the element is bad. And I opened the range here, and there I found the number, and there's a QR code there. And I used that number to order the large 12-inch radiant burner and had it shipped here. All right, so to begin, of course, you're going to disconnect the power. And then I'm going to open the front, take off the glass, and take out the element and reconnect it. All right, the tools you need for this job are a star tool. If you don't have a star tool, you're not going to be able to open the panel. The other tool you're going to need is a 1/4-inch nut driver, and you could do this with a ratchet set. These are the two tools you're going to use. You're going to start out by taking out this screw right here, like this, on both sides, and then pull the panel up and open. It's not hinged, it just opens and it's connected with wires there. So just be gentle with it. Don't damage any of the wires or the circuit board or connectors. I'm taking out all the screws, and the last two screws are here on the edge. The plastic to separate, and now I can lift up the glass surface and separate it out and access the burner. So the glass comes up and it's got some clips on it, and now I'm going to be able to pull up the glass part and access the burners. So I'm going to try to keep this, I'm going to do it like that. Now, this is the burner I'm going to replace, and I'm going to take a very clear note and picture of the color of these connectors. So it's brown, blue, 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 a lot of blue. So I'm going to make a little diagram of that first, and then I'll take out the burner. Taking off the wires here, and then I'm going to pause. So these these were pretty tight, the connectors, but wiggle them back and forth a little bit, and they came off. And there's this one, that's a strange one. Stop, pause. I'm going to pop these clips off. Spring clip. Spring clip off. And then the other one was blue, yellow, blue, yellow, blue, white, blue, yellow, blue, white, and purple. Okay, get them nice and tight. So that, I think we are close to done, and hopefully that solves it. One thing, when this was shipped to me, this was cracked, but since it's just a heat insulator, I'm gonna use it. I would change out the other one, but there's a drilled out hole. So I'm gonna place this back in. All right. Nice. Nice connectors. Good. And clip on. Clip on. Clip on. There we go. I think we are done now. Got these 2 screws here. Go back. Oh, I don't need those 2 screws. It's already mounted, so I'll just take those out. Chuck them. All right, pause. I think I'm ready to put the glass back down. Down we go. Slide it back in. There's a groove in the back that we're sliding into. Not quite in yet. Well, that's not a good sign that the reset.
Yes.
What do you think? Good. Switch. Yep, it's heating. I did it.
Yes.